Tonight, a tornado outbreak is unfolding across Nebraska. Over a dozen twisters already reported, with more severe weather on the way. In the Lincoln, Nebraska area, debris seen swirling as this violent tornado ripped across an interstate. Elsewhere, some drivers heading towards the ominous skies.
East of Lincoln, Nebraska. Time is 2:54. Oh my gosh, look at that stovepipe.
Tornadoes also reported around Waco, Texas today.
It looks like lots of sheet metal in the air.
And further south in Austin, inbound flights were temporarily grounded because of thunderstorms. In Oklahoma, this semi-truck flipped over